Lights up on Washington Heights, up at the break of day, I wake up and I got this little punk I gotta chase away. Pop the crates at the crack of dawn, sing while I walk down the awning. Hey y'all, good morning. I spoke to that one, pasta, china, jelly, strawberry, y chasco today. I got my name. Voy a pedir bueno, ¿cómo está? Como se prende, yo sabe. I am not me. You probably never heard my name. Reports of my fame, my greatly exacerbated by the fact that my C-sex is highly complicated because I immigrated from the greatest immigrants in the Caribbean, Dominican Republic. I love it. Since I'm jealous of and every all that. Ever since my folks passed on, I had to draw back. Oh man, I gotta get on that. Whoa! Look this long back, hold on just a second. Why is everything in this fridge room protected? I better step it up and fight the key. Cause I'm not making any profit if the coffee isn't like this week.
Woo!
Abuela, do we have them at home?
No, ¿qué pasó?
My fridge broke, I got a paper with leche.
Try my mother's old recipe. 1 can of condensed
Mine,
milk.
let me get
Paciencia,
that was abuela, she's not really my abuela. But she tried to be raised me, this will not be so escuela now. You wrong thinking, I'm up this street, I've never been over 96th Street. Well, you must take the 8th Street. Even part of the water, you go from the hands and maintain. Get up in 181st and take the escalator. I hope you riding this down, I'm gonna test how it is. I'm getting tested, tuckle, this bodega. You motherfucker, 9 times eggs. 100% back you up and pick you up in every system. But we're not that expensive, but we're listening to stuff.
I think the lights and start my day.
The cab company, the struggle in the battle. See the dollar in us off the college tuition is massive, so they can't sleep. Everything they get is nasty. Good morning, Usnavi. Margarita, cafe, leche. Put $20 on today's lottery.
One ticket, that's it.
Hey, the man got a treat.
Don't mind him, he's all excited. Cause he was the win at 3 a.m. last night.
Look at me, this one's been cooking all week.
Usnavi come over for dinner, just learning to eat. So then Yesenia walks in the room. She smells sexy. Oh, like one of those trees that hang from the review. No, it's true. She screams, who's in there with you? Grab the bag and thinks in the door. She's in bed with Jose from the liquor store.
No me diga. But then I call up from the salon.
Thanks to Usnavi.
Sonny, you're late. Chillax. You know you love me. Me and my sister running just another diner dozen mom and pop stuff and shop. And oh my god, got you got my like my man go quarter say. People come through for a few cold waters and a live and keep it just a part of the routine. Everybody's got a job, everybody's got a dream. They call it, it's time to my pop, let's work, some birds start. As people hot, to work, busted. I'm like, $1, $2, 150, 150, now I got it. You want a bottle of candy, what kind of 2 quarter water, but you trying to use a packet that can take you static. What's the kids to practice that? You can prep us back, that automatic. You let it back, you bet. When that you got the recipe, everybody's stressed, yes. But they dress through the mess, bounce checks, and want the one snack. You ain't got no skills. Don't let me get a keyword, yeah. Let me also get a aliens and the most important my all second coffee 1, 3, 5 should be something number 1 earner. The fastest love. My boss can't keep me on the back burner. Yes he can. I'm making deals, but guess what? What? You still ain't got no skills. Don't unless it show up, yeah. Yeah, hope you don't get so upset, man. Tell Vanessa how you feel. Buy the girl a meal on the real, or you ain't got no skills. lights like the whole hood is struggling. Yeah, times are tight, and you stuck to this corner like a street light. Yeah, I'm a street light, choking on the key. The world spins around while I'm frozen to my seat. I'll keep my down, I know I'll keep my rolling down the street. But every day it's switching, so I'm switching up the beat. Cause my parents tell me nothing, they got a little more extra and more. Yo, at least we got the store. It's all about the legacy that never make it special me. And one day I'll be on the people side, right next to me. We get to work and do it, we got a lot of confidence. We are all not stopping.
Every day the same thing,
Stop our children. And the days that we got, so we cannot stop. This is a rock in the hearts. I hang my flag along this way. Yo, what did I say, man? Go fix the fridge.
Heck no. It was blowing fuses, sparking and stuff.
Snappy, send him to DR for the summer. Let him work on the farm. Get some real dirt on his Nikes.
I ain't wasting on plane ticket on this kid. I'll be out playing Rita with the rum and coke. Sonny can stay here and sell Twinkies.
Sal, I'll give him away for free. I'm the Robin Hood of El Barrio.
Hey guys!
Nina Rosario, what is up?
Jet lag, I haven't slept all night.
The watermelon of my heart.
Bendición, abuela.
Congratulations on your first year at Stanford University.
It felt like 10.
You just missed your parents.
I'm here to see you guys.
So, did you kick some college butt?
More like I got mine handed to me on a silver platter.
Please, you knew your ABCs before you were 6 months old.
You registered half this block to vote.
The future mayor of Nueva York.
And I want to be your campaign manager. Yo, miss, recognize this face?
Look who's a grown man.
Check out the goatee.
Yo, that's fridge grease.
Why are you so jealous of my skills?
Back to work. Stop by later.
Those recipes you sent me were my survival kits.
I had to make sure you remembered the flavor of home. Bueno, come inside. I have your sandwichito ready.
I'll be there in a second.
I'll go put the fan on.
This is my street. I smile at the faces I've known all my life. They regard me with pride, and everyone's sweet. They say you're going places. So how can I say that while I was away, I had so much to hide? Hey guys, it's me, the biggest disappointment you know. The kid couldn't hack it. She's back, but she's walking real slow. Welcome home. just
Cantando contigo por toda su vida, respira. Mis penas, Dios te bendiga, respira.
radio plays or forgotten boleros. I think of the days when this city was mine. I remember the phrase I said, Oro te quiero. The neighborhood waved and said, Nina, you're gonna be fine. Maybe it's me, but it all seems like time to go. So what do I say to these faces that I used to know? Hey, I'm home.
Mira, mira, no me preocupo por él.
They're not worried about me.
Mira, y esta escuela.
They are all counting on me to succeed.
En la ciudad atada.
I am the one who made it out. The one who always made the grade. But maybe I should have just stayed home. When I was a child, I stayed wide awake, climbed to the highest place on every fire escape, less than mine. I got every scholarship, saved every dollar, the first to go to college, had learned to live right. I'm coming back home with my eyes on the horizon. Just me and the GWB asking, Gina, what'll you be? Straighten the spine, smile for the neighbors. Everything's fine, everything's cool. Standard recline, lots of tests, lots of papers. Smile, wave goodbye, and pray to the sky. Oh God, and what will my parents say? Can I go in there and say, I know I let you down?
Nina,
Just
$192 en la esquina al frente del McDonald's. Atención, I know it's hot, but I don't want to see any drivers without a tie. This is Rosario's. How can you be stressing on muñecas home?
the mechanic called. We won't start another engine until we pay for last month.
Then I'll get a little engine grease on my hand.
Why? So you can hurt your back again?
You used to think I was sexy when I worked on cars.
Yeah, before all that mileage. Mira, I've done investment.
Another developer. It's not an offer, it's an insult.
Regency Bank. We're behind on all these payments. We need an emergency loan.
We'll go see the bank manager Monday.
This can't wait, puppy.
The dispatcher just called out.
Hey boss, I can take over the radio.
You don't speak Spanish.
5 years with these drivers?
You are not Latino.
Hey, and how much English did you speak when you first started here? Benny is honorary Latino.
There's a new voice riding the heat wave today.
Just get them from point A to point B.
I got your back. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. This is Benny on the dispatch. Yo, Attention, yo, attention. It's Benny and I'd like to mention I'm on the microphone this morning. Honk your horn if you want it. Okay, we got traffic on the west side. Get up at 79 to take a left side. A riverside drive in my sight. What's been your best friend if you catch the line? Now don't take the digging. Many Ramirez and sound is singing. Sorry, I'm in it. You take Friday, you ain't get back in again. Hold up a minute.
Anyway,
Nina, you're home today. All the
anytime,
folks are on their way. It's
anyway,
good to see your face.
anytime.
Hold up a minute, wait. You used to run this dispatch right.
Once or twice.
Well, check the technique. Yo, there's a traffic accident. I'm mentioned at the intersection. I just out in the day of time to mention that. And check it, don't get stuck in the rubber. Make it on 192nd. There's a double and a bus wreck. Now that you know, we got a special guest. Now that the rest will be here out west. Welcome to that picture of magic. You know, I'm sorry, you're the party of best. On your horn, she's smiling, say hello.
I didn't find my folks. Thanks for the laughing wagon.
Anytime, anytime, Nina. Wait here with me, getting hot outside. Turn out the AC, stay here with me.
Oh yeah, you missed another doctor's appointment.
Mijo, would you take medical advice from a man named Dr. Gross? Ew.
As long as you're taking your medicine. Abuela, pero abuela, eso no importa.
Sure, it makes my heart work better, but in return, it gives me headaches. Hey, imagínate. Besides, with what those pills cost, I could get a good basic. Sácalo de aquí, mételo para acá, sácalo de aquí, mételo para acá, acá, acá. No?
Guess who hooked it up? Ice Cold Country Club Cola Champagne.
Put that on your tab. You owe me 500, 3,000.
Nabi, I think he's trying to tell you he fixed the Frigidaire.
Yeah, so let's talk about that raise. Free soda or a walk?
Half price, diet, cola, champagne. Yo, that's my final offer.
Ain't no Dominicans free drinking no diet soda.
Be thankful at least someone around here is getting a raise.
Hey, I'm starting a union. Underage cousin of the bodega workers, unite.
Excuse me. This is in social hours.
It's Con Edison. I gave my mom half my check to pay the bills.
¿Y qué pasó? She drank it away. Vanessa, when are you going to get out of that toxic environment?
Hello? Okay, I'll hold it. Daniela, I know I still owe you from last time, but...
Carla, what's my rule? She'll do anything for you, but she won't support your mother's dysfunction.
I lied to them to you all week, guys. I lied.
What would Jesus do? Well, I look like Jesus to you.
Hello? Hello? Don't transfer me. Hello?
Come on. You need to clear out that negative energy. So take 5 and go get me some Tecate.
Anything else while I'm at it?
A Pepsi. Tough love, cha-cha.
Elevated train by my window doesn't face me anymore. The life is sweeter don't disrupt my dreams. It's a lullaby in its way. Elevated train drives everyone the same, but I don't mind, oh no. So I bring back boys, they can tolerate the noise, and that's okay, 'cause I never let them stay. One day, I'm on the elevated train and I'm driving along. We won't be alone now. Boys along the way holler at me when I'm walking down the street. If my trees won't cry, doesn't break my stride. It's a compliment, so they say. The boys along the way holler at me every day, but I don't mind, oh no. 'Cause I'm in the mood, it will not be disappeared. Who is with me 'cause we have nothing to say. Oh, who's talking at me from the Chevrolet? One day, I'm coming on the scene and I'm driving around. Oh, we won't be alone now. Hi, Usami.
Good morning, sun. This is the loveliest girl with the flame.
You got some schmutz on your face.
Good morning, good morning. America,
Vanessa! I'm thirsty, ándale.
Can you get a Pepsi tape, Pepsi and some packing tapes, please?
My cousin over there with his tongue hanging out has the man asking
Yes?
what a lady such as yourself might be doing tonight.
Does your cousin dance?
Like a drawn cheat of a barrel.
Okay, so after Nina's dinner tonight, we can check out the fire.
oh snap, won't stop, don't stop, don't pop. Yes, que pasó, we back up. No, no, tú no sabes, nobody. Sigue, 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 freak it, freak it. What a way to begin the weekend, Johnny. You want it, and my community love it, and you know that I have it, Johnny. You, but she is funny, but then the market, what the heart they do. But you got every day, I got a destination. I'm ready to make it home and home with Vanessa's running away from. I'm ready to make it home and home with Vanessa's running away
The
from.
neighborhood salon is a place I'm working for the moment. As I cut their hair, ladies talk and share every day who's dating who and why. Neighborhood salon doesn't pay me what I wanna be making, but I don't mind. As I keep the curve, I can hear those turbo engines blazing a trail through the sky. I look up and think about the years gone by. One day I'm walking a JFK and I'm gonna cry. It won't be alone now any day.
What's that? ¿Dónde estás? Yo, slow down. Uno momento. Yo, cabrón, I'm trying to help you.
Whoa, who taught you Spanish?
The drivers.
Dime. He's going to the cloisters. He's stuck on the Hudson.
Exit 14, follow the signs for Fort Tyrone.
The U-turn on exit 15 is quicker.
It's also illegal.
Salida 15. Hágase una media vuelta, sigue derecho.
You gave him your directions, didn't you? I'm sorry.
Eyes on the dispatch, por favor.
Yes, sir.
You look more beautiful and even smarter.
It must be the bags under my eyes.
Nina de mamá, mi hija tan preciosa. Turn around. Let me see my platita.
Mom,
Excuse me, you think you're all grown up?
I was hoping we could grab a few coffees and go home for a minute.
No, we're celebrating. Caridad is still serving breakfast.
I already ate at Alcala Claudia's.
So, I get to fatten you up too?
We gotta go by Daniela's. Everybody wants to see you.
You guys! Okay, I planned this whole speech on the plane.
Benny, give us a minute.
If there's anything I can do,
Go.
Mija,
I lost my scholarship.
did you get into some kind of trouble?
No,
It's okay. Just tell us what happened.
my grades were below the cutoff, so they put me on probation. After midterms, they pulled me into the dean's office and he was like, you have to pull your scholarship.
But you were studying non-stop.
No, I was working to pay for books. I didn't have time to read. Look, I ended up taking a leave of absence.
Does leave of absence mean dropout? Nina, look at me.
I guess you could say I left school.
Oh my God, when?
I didn't know.
When?
March.
4 months ago? What were you doing since then?
Figuring out how to tell you. Staying on my friend's couch.
Like a beggar? You lied to me every time I got you.
I couldn't work 2 jobs and study for finals and finish my term papers.
2 jobs? You said it was going to be just one.
It's expensive. The scholarship only covered part of it.
Then you pick up the phone and say, Papi, I need some money.
You laid off 2 drivers this year.
I would have gone away.
You don't know what college is like.
Then educate me, por favor.
I'm going to get started on dinner.
Cancel tonight.
You'll be home in an hour.
Why didn't you just tell me?
What could you have done?
This isn't happening! Inútil! Useless! Just like my father was before me. Inútil! Useless. And every day he touched a cake. He came home and prayed for rain. Prayed for rain. And on the days when nothing came, my father's face was lined with shame. He'd sit me down beside him and he'd say, my father was a farmer. His father was a farmer. And you will be a farmer. But I told him, Papi, I'm sorry I'm going farther. I'm getting on that plane and I'm going to change the world someday. Then he smacked my face. He stood there staring at me. Useless. Today, my daughter's home and I am useless. And as a child, she amazed me with the things she learned each day. She'd sit on that fire station while all the other kids would play. And I would stand beside her and I'd say, I'm proud to be your father because you work so much harder and you are so much smarter than I was at your age. And I always knew she would fly away, that you can change the world someday. I will not be a reason can succeed. I will do what it takes to have everything they need. Or all my work, all my life, everything that I've sacrificed will have been useless.
You know me? I don't like to talk about nobody. Pero oye esto.
Honey, don't. My pastor told me gossip is a sin.
Jesus, perdóname. Gladys went behind my back for a $10 hairdo, and guess what she found in her extensions?
What?
Una cucaracha. One of the big ones with wings.
Yeah, she's back.
I called you all morning.
And guess who confiscated my phone? Next semester, put me in your suitcase and take me with you.
Mind if I steal Vanessa for a minute?
And what are we? Chapchuletas.
Well, Bequita, you need a makeover.
I have to go help my mom. I'll see you at dinner. I'll be packing.
Tomorrow we close that door forever.
Yeah. Oh no. All right, 10 minutes.
Yes. Can you believe the salon's moving to the Bronx? Getting all the barrio and heading to the hood. They keep raising the rent. What can I do?
Man, I was gonna mess up my highlights.
I'm grateful. I mess up your highlights at a discount price. And if you come visit in the Bronx, free eyebrow waxing.
You're the only one who touches these brows.
So I see. Tweezers.
Hi, Beto. What happened to these curls? You need some hair gel, mommy.
Por favor, do not make my hair punchy.
You need to accept hair gel into your life.
Tell me something I don't know.
Yeah, Susia.
Tell me something I don't know. A little of the top,
A little on the side.
A little bit of music heard around that body, oh.
tell me something I don't know.
Well,
You didn't hear this from me, but some little birdie told me. Usnavi made out with Yolanda.
No, Nikita.
You never go out with a girl like that. Please tell me you're joking, okay? Just wanted to see what you say.
Tell me something I don't know.
Whatever, I don't care.
Ay, bendito.
So Nina, I hear you've been talking to many. And what do you hear? I hear plenty. They say he's got quite a bit. Taxi, no me diga.
okay. I don't want to know where you heard of that.
I don't think I know what you mean.
Bala, he's packing a stretch limousine. Tell me something I don't know.
Is he kissing me?
I just feel. Nina, seriously, we knew you'd be the one to make it out. I bet you impressed them all out west. You were always the best, no doubt.
We want the road seats to your graduation.
So call your name and scream and shout.
You guys, I dropped out.
No me diga.
I should go.
Well, that's some cheery piece of news.
That girl never quit anything.
She never got a B.
Exactly.
What the hell happened? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't
Tell me something I don't know.
know. Que sé yo.
Yo, is my tie look straight?
Benny, you look the same as every day. You trying to impress Dino. Woo!
You need to impress some old spice under those arms. Whatever. My boss put me on this set. I need to look professional.
My boss, you're paving the way for someone else's dream. Man, strike out on your own.
I'm learning on someone else's dime. The day I opened Benny's Car Service.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yo, either one of you Rockefellers want to take this business off my hands?
Heck no.
I didn't think so.
What up, what up, what up? Come on, y'all. Buy my t-shirt.
That's your sales pitch? Get out of here.
Man, look, today's special. 2 for 20.
How about I give you nothing and you scrub your initial off my honor?
Chill out, man.
Here. Son is sick of recipe.
That's $1.25.
That's straight, man. I got Roman candles, bottle rocket, 3rd of July. Man, party starts tonight.
Contraband, vandalism. How about I give you 3 seconds before I call the cops?
Oh, man.
Oh,
Usnavi, double check this for me.
take $5. Hold up. We sold the winner yesterday?
Somebody won?
I want a cut of your cut. I don't get a cut. These numbers match.
What's the payout? Better be no $500.
Right. I'm sorry for those losers. Every single time.
I got $20.
96,000. Man, $96,000. Holla, 96,000.
Man, that's a lot of spray can.
96,000.
Yo, if I won the lotto tomorrow, well I know I would have started going on a spending spree. I picked up business school and paid the entrance fee. Now man, if you're lucky you stay friends with me, I'll be a businessman, richer than me and daddy. Down jumping out the links and he's my daddy. My mom's making money, I'm going from motor to motor. Keep the bling, I want the brass ring like Robo! Oh no, here we go, Mr. Braggadocio. Next thing you know, he's flying like Pinocchio. If you're scared of the bull, stay out the rodeo.
Man, I got more girls than the phone book in Tokyo.
Ooh, you better stop rapping. You not ready. It's gonna get you an heavy and you already sweating.
Yo,
Y'all, I'm sorry. Hush up, go home and roll your loose pants up. As for you, need the photo of the Shire. 96 G's ain't enough to retire.
Come on, I got enough to knock your back up in taxes.
You have a knapsack full of jack after taxes. 96,000.
Ay, ano ba ito?
96,000.
No, baby, ba?
96,000.
I never win anything.
96,000. The real love. Imagine how it feels going real slow. Down the highway life with no regrets. I know you're breaking your neck for respect or a paycheck. For real love, I take a break from the real love. The biggest block party everybody needs. It's a weekend, we're thinking free, take it easy.
Check 1, 2, 3. What would you do with 96 G's? I mean, if it's just between you and me. Esa pregunta es tricky. I know 96 G's. I start my life with a brand new lease. I like sitting with a medical breeze and a brand new weed.
Maybe just please. Y'all are freaks.
Yo, I'm just saying. It's really when we get into these crazy hypotheticals. You really want to where they go ahead, create a status. Cross them off the list that you pursue. With those 96, I know precisely what I'm doing. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? It takes more than a cash out to save myself from financial ruin. So you can keep the pop doing instead of being on you. Cause the only room with the views, the room with you in it. And I can get where I got it. You got the place to find me down where I lie. I'll make the best of it. The real love of business. No time, Merry Christmas. You're not a youngest like you wouldn't want to get nice. Yo, the 96,000, I'm probably the big house and get the body of my peers and wild and rap out. Look at the living, without that unit unification, chase the state. You did not want unification. The rap is escalated. What? Penetrate. What? The corporation while we should be demonstrate. What? How about immigration? What? How about this behavior? What? The many states is going for. Let's take a play. I got the thing, the 10 million lessons in
still has a bullet promise to put me a king. You are so cute.
I was just taking off on top of my head.
I win the lottery, you'll never see me again.
And you'll be joking, look at them.
I'll be in my studio, yeah, I win the
Call your father. He was supposed to help you, but he's not picking up.
We're fine. We have all afternoon.
We are not fine.
Ay, qué calor! Usnavi! Woo!
What up? Something's wrong? You were off fetch.
It's the heat. Toma, your ham and cheese.
Thanks. You know, you already brought me one.
De verdad? Is my memory. It goes 2 miles an hour. I think I'm gonna take a walk. I need some air.
Breadcrumbs for your birds. Stay in the shade, okay?
I think I'm gonna head by Padre Carlos's church and light a few candles.
Light one from my broken brakes. Gotta go call the mechanic about that thing. Yamora, like you always say, patience and faith.
Paciencia y fe. The summer's hottest day. Paciencia y fe. Paciencia y fe. Ay, carajo, it's hot! But that's okay. Mama will pray. Paciencia y fe. It was hotter at home in La Vibora, the Washington Heights of Havana, a crowded city of faces the same as mine. Back as a child in La Vibora, I chased the birds in the plaza, praying, Mama, you would find work, hoping the stars in the sky for some sort of sign. My Mama, so many stars. So we came, and now I'm wide awake. A million years too late. I talk to you, imagining what you do, remembering what you went through. Mother, I remember it wasn't like today. You say, but then say faith. Fresh off the boat in America, freezing in early December, the crowded city of 1943. Learning the ropes in America, in Espanol I remember, dancing with Mayor LaGuardia, all of society welcoming mommy and me. Ha! Paciencia y fe, paciencia y fe. Sharing double beds, trying to catch a break, struggling with English. Listening to friends, finally got a job working as a maid. So we cleaned some homes, polishing with pride, scrubbing the whole of the Upper East Side. The days into weeks, the weeks into years, and here I stay. And as I see these birds, my hands begin to shake. And as I say these words, my heart's about to break. And Mama, what do you do when your dreams come true? I spend my life inheriting dreams from you. What do I do with this winning ticket? What can I do but pray? I buy my loaf of bread, continue with my day, and see you in my head, imagining what you say. The birds they fly away, do they fly to La Vivala? All right, Mama. Okay. Paciencia y fe.
Well, Nina Rosario. I guess we both know what time it is.
Your bedtime?
Not yet. It's time for you to open that one that's so sunny.
It's tempting.
You need a welcome host plushie. 2 part bluegrass berry, 1 part cherry cola. And check this out. I added some little nerds in it.
Yo, Domingo, it's all you.
Can I get a rain check on that, Soshi?
But, yo, Sonny. Oh, it's like that? One day, you'll both need my sympathy. And will I be there? Probably.
Is this that ticket?
Did you learn any more curse words?
I'm trying, but it's like learning 2 different languages. Puerto Rican Spanish, Dominican Spanish.
I hear you. They spoke a different English at Stanford.
Really?
Weekend, verb. To go skiing at your cabin on Lake Tahoe. Cabin, noun. A blase word for mansion.
You should teach me some local vocabulary words.
Oh, I did. Every day in the cafeteria, I was like, Oye, you want some fries with that?
Not speaking the language.
I used to think we lived at the top of the world, and the world was just a subway map, and the one/9 from the dotted line to my place.
There's no night train now.
Right. I used to think that Bronx was a place in the sky, when the world was just a subway map, and my thoughts took shape on that virus day. Can you remind me of what it was like at the top of the world?
Come with me. We begin to love with the stop of my corner fire hydrant.
You would open every summer.
I was busted with a wrench till my face got wrenched till I heard the siren. Then I ran like hell. Busted that window, he let me in your and told me to get me.
You were always in constant trouble.
Then your dad would act on snap, but he let me hide you there inside.
Life was easier then.
You know everything is easier when you're home. It's just a little kinder when you're home. Can't you see that the day seems clearer now that you are here older than me? Maybe it's just me. We gotta go, we gotta show you all I know. The sun's setting when the light is getting
Are
low.
we going to Castle Garden?
Maybe not the way to take a shot another day. It's hot, I know it's perfect shade spot a little ways away. I'll pull us down, pull back on town.
Now back in high school when it darkened, you would hang out in Bennett Park.
Every time he would bring his radio.
As I walk home from senior studies to see you rapping with your buddies. I walked on by. Don't say that. Don't say that. When I was younger, I imagined what would happen if my parents had figured Puerto Rico. Who would I be if I had never seen Manhattan? If I lived in Puerto Rico with my people, my people. I feel like all my life I've tried to find the answer. Working harder, learning Spanish, learning all I can. I thought I might find the answer of a chapter, but instead you see, thinking, where am I supposed to be? So please don't say you're proud of me when I've lost my way.
What can I say? I couldn't get my mind off you all day. Listen to me, let me be how you perceive it. Belina, please believe that when you find your way again, you're gonna change the world and the world gonna bright and say we knew her way. Yeah. This is what you're piragua, piragua. These lots of ice, piragua, piragua, piragua. So sweet and nice, piragua. Let's go to casa, let's go to pena. Let's go to Tina, very long. The best of your presenta, hey, piragua, piragua. These lots of ice, piragua, piragua, piragua. So sweet and nice, piragua, yeah. It's hotter than the islands on land. And this place softly trying to shut me down, but I keep scraping by the fading light. Hey, mama, is this my town? Piragua, piragua. Keep scraping by piragua, piragua, piragua. Keep scraping by piragua. Keep scraping by, keep scraping by. La 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 la. Keep scraping by, keep scraping by. La 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 la. Keep scraping by.
Yo, tomorrow's the 4th of July and it's time to party. Come on, Abuela Claudia. I'll show you some new moves.
It's my song. We really don't have to.
Oh, yes, we do. I dance best when I'm angry. Too much emphasis. Be more subtle. Like you're dancing in a tiny drink. Abuela, I shake this. The scratch in the record is my favorite part.
Man, did we miss the record scratch?
Turn the music back on.
Bueno, but no encores. Show up late, you missed the hot stuff.
New Zealand Giraffes. Vintage 2008.
Some pastel de guava for dessert.
Benediction.
Hey, Dios te bendiga. Ano sunset to the day. We have to talk later.
So, West Village. Do I owe you a bottle of champagne?
Well, the landlord saw my credit application and laughed out loud.
Forget him. It's not the right place for you.
Well, there were exposed bricks on purpose, not because the walls were all busted.
Don't think about that. We should all go dancing later.
If there's AC, I'm there. You in?
Actually, Vanessa and I already have plans.
No, come with us. The more friends, the better, right?
You know it.
The West Side Highway was bumper to bumper.
There you are.
Hey, boss, how's it going?
But if it,
What's up, Mr. Rosario? Mira pa allá. Who's the handsome man?
It's my beautiful princess.
Hey, Dad.
Oh, excuse me. You're the princess. Claudia is the queen.
And what does that make me?
Addicted to it.
You're right. And one day I'll open my own restaurante Boricua, but until then, you're all my guinea pigs. Serve yourself, plates are in the kitchen.
Listen up, everyone. Attention.
Kevin, let's serve first. The food is going to get cold.
Camina per minute and wait 5 minutes. 27 years ago, in Arecibo, Puerto Rico, I threw down my shovel, hitched the ride into town, and bought 2 paintings in Nueva York. I showed up to Camila's place and said, Vamos.
That whole plane ride, I was trying not to cry.
That whole plane ride you were drinking Bacardi.
Sin vergüenza, no shame.
We were Nina's age. And now look at you. You made me proud to be a Rosario. So, today, I threw down my shovel again. I hitched a ride into town. I took another leap of faith. Nina, I'm selling the business to pay for your tuition.
What?
I sold Rosarios. They're going back to Stanford.
Kevin, this had better be a joke.
Uptown Investment takes over in 2 weeks.
Uptown Investment, ay Dios mío, they offered us nothing.
It was enough, Bibita.
Wait, Dad, I can find a job. I'll take night classes.
What? So you end up just another girl stuck in El Barrio?
Why you gotta look at me when you say that?
Yo, did I just lose my job?
Of course you didn't. I do the payroll, the banking, your chaotic papers. We worked 20 years to build that company. I worked.
For what, Cami? 20 years for what?
What about your
You
employees?
can't just kick us to the curb.
Your drivers are half my customers.
I am not a welfare office. Family comes first. Above everything.
The day you hired me, you said I was family.
That's business. This is my daughter.
You are all my family. And you have my word. We are not selling Rosarios.
I'm making the deal.
This is our business.
It wasn't my name.
Dinner is over.
Mom!
I'm sorry, I'm not good enough to sit with the bourgeoisie.
Con permiso.
Billy, I'll fix this, I promise.
Nina, you stay away from him.
I'll get out of your way.
You know I will never touch that money.
So help me, you are going back to California. Nina!
So the hot top in Washington tight. You might be right, you can sit tight. Go to the next that you do, race tonight. Because if you really
Ooh, snobby, relax.
relax, I'm relaxed. So 3 years before, I know what I'm gonna do with the store. You gotta be out in the brand new store. My eyes are low, the top of the level. When the people need your hand, I'm so low. Because you're going,
Let's go get a drink.
so this is
You gon' need a little bit of cinnamon.
Here's to getting fired, hitting the roof. Salute. For not so much as a thank you 5 more years. Cheers. Trying to get Vanessa. Man, fix your color.
Holler,
You're doing shots on the
as
weekend.
long as you buy 'em, or hire 'em.
Who? Me? Nah, man.
It's cool, hey, if you want to.
Mine?
I'm fine.
Yo, who's Vanessa Puppy? Some dude. That's messed up. She's trying to make you jealous.
Jealous, I ain't jealous, I can take on this better, whatever.
to the end of all I know.
You had enough,
There's a girl who has it all.
that's not fair.
Then why don't you run on to daddy? He loves to remind me that I'll never be good enough for your family. For you,
You don't know me,
for you.
I thought you were different.
Salute. The way you flex on the floor makes me want you more. The way you sweat, the way you flex on the floor makes me want you more. The next one, the next one, the next one. The way you flex on the floor makes me want you more. What's your love? Let me get to know what's inside of you. Scared of flower, how you so pretty. You completely, you have the eye, no, me. Truly, that is truly a fair thing. Oh, I can't go to fucking solid, like I'm the cat, getting my life, I'm not. But I think that's something from my own friends.
No, 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 no!
Whoever did this, I'm gonna put a jigsaw here.
Ditto. Mustafi, let us help to clean up.
Thanks. But I like to be alone with my broken window.
I got more with the trash up.
Recognize this?
Oh man. The bodega's first customer?
First dollar my dad made here. Bueno, take whatever bags and candles we have to the church on our one.
You don't need backup?
For what?
For your soul. Dr. Phil said denial is the first stage of grief.
It's a stolen register. A rip-up army. It's just things.
I heard.
Oh, still got a gas of range. Can I make you some coffee?
We have actual stuff to deal with.
Oh, I'm sorry about last night. Sonny was calling. Abuela was alone.
No one called my phone last night. No one cared if I was okay.
I didn't have to call.
I'm sorry about what
Hey, yo, Sonny, come check out my new wall, man. I paint that thing by candlelight.
Shh. The man is having female problems.
My bad.
You got a new canvas. Tack up the whole story. Have a blast. Abuela? What's that say? Did you see it again?
We come to
So we survived the night. What happens today?
a third for you, a third for me,
Nobody see it.
the rest for Sunny. And with our share of the money, and with our share of the money, dream of the seaside and see me beside you there. Think of the hundreds of stories we will share, you and I. Now you can sell your store, open a bar by the shore. Think I've told you hundreds of stories about home. Make some more.
Yo, I know just where to go. There's a little beach named Lamb. And all with no boat. You need a rowboat or a motorbike to reach. It's just a slow home. My folks is home. Before I was born, before they passed on, they left me on my own in the dark with the grocery store. They would talk about money and grocery store. They would listen to each other about that woman with the weather. We said trouble, they even got to together. We never got better because we never separate. And better with these memories, but I ain't never so much if I can't remember. Ever since then, it's like another day. Deeper than that, with the feeling of stuff. One day it's a night, I'll be secret when it's a. Well, I don't know how they get together.
Remember the story of your name. It was engraved on a passing ship the day your family came. Your father said, Usnavi, that's what we'll name the baby.
They really say West Navy, but hey, I work with what they gave me, okay.
They'd be so proud of you today.
And by the end of July,
Nothing. Anyone here?
Mostly voicemails. Half the people's phones are out. I just got to the letter M.
Mira, ahí está.
Mom, Dad,
Start talking.
Where the hell have you been?
I should have called, I know.
Answer your mother. Where were you?
Boss, Mrs. Rosario, can I have a minute?
It's okay, Dad.
Think very hard about what you say to me.
Just hear him out.
Actually, no. I'll say this nicely. You stay away from my daughter.
But sir, I've worked here since I was practically a kid. You know me.
You think you're anywhere close to her level?
Of course not, sir. No one is.
Stop calling him sir.
You stay out of this.
Dad,
I taught you how to drive. I taught you how to tie a tie.
And I tie the same ones or not. We're not that different.
You don't know anything about
Oh,
it.
that's again.
Haven't done nothing!
You will never be a part of this family. And get this.
Loud and clear.
Benny,
Why learn the language if they still won't listen?
Sin vergüenza, are you trying to shame me?
yes, Dad, that's exactly what I'm trying to do.
Well, congratulations, you succeeded. You succeeded at everything.
Sorry I embarrassed you.
Oh my God, enough! Now you listen to me. Mom, I said enough. I'm sick of all this fighting. I think you said enough. Now listen to what I say. What I say goes. Papi, you push the thought away. I don't want to hear it. We make decisions as a family. And throwing Betty out like that, you sounded like her father. We all know what a middleman he was. You make it all come down to you.
Can we just talk about this?
No, you don't. When you have a problem, you come home. You don't go off and make matters worse on your own. One day you're gonna come back home. You're not gonna find me waiting anymore.
I'm sorry.
Oh, right, you're sorry. So you stayed out all night. Mom, I'm talking now. You scared us half to death. You know that's right.
I'm sorry.
Don't apologize to me. You save it for your father.
What?
Look at your father. He doesn't sleep when you're gone. He's worked his whole life to help you, oh father, and he can't admit when he's wrong. But who does that remind you of? You two deserve each other. For months you lied to us. What did we do? Make you think that we would do anything and everything for you. When you have a problem, you come home. You don't go off and hide from your family all alone. You hear me? When you have a problem, you come home. As long as we're alive, you're never on your own. Leave Betty, take Betty, it doesn't make any difference. As long as you come home. No, enough lying, enough screaming. I'm done trying and I'm leaving it up to you. It's up to you. How do you go back home? Enough!
My friend was still getting something. And then had to walk a mile in that dirty, nasty tub. And he stepped on the rug.
Heck no.
Okay, people, I got through to Con Edison and he said it'll be about 24 hours. Okay, we can complain or get organized. Complain! Here, it's called the broom. Hey, it's the 4th of July, show some spirit.
I'm taking the bus downtown for lunch. Who's hungry?
Me.
They stopped all the buses. No traffic lights.
This is like Gilligan's Ghetto Island.
Graffiti Pete, pon la música.
Not a battery.
Doesn't this bed have a generator?
And ain't nobody there.
Well, can't you open a hydrant?
Woo.
Girl, Popo stood my monkey ring.
Hey, play nice.
My sneakers are stuck in that street.
My fingernails are slipping up with this heat.
What's the story that I'm singing on the street? I never thought to see the day since when I laughed and people scared of heat. When I was a little girl growing up in the hills of Vegeta, my favorite time of year was Christmas time.
Ask me why.
Why? There wasn't an answer snow, but oh, the cookies don't flow. As we sang it, as we know, the carnival will begin to grow. Business is closed, and we're about to go. Let's have a carnival. Then party on. Carnaval del barrio, Carnaval del barrio, Carnaval del barrio, Carnaval del barrio. We don't need electricity, get off your butt, avanza. Saca la maraca, bring it, tambourine, come and join paranda. Your head, just so long as you sing.
Oh, my mom is Dominican, Cuban, my dad is from Chile, FDR, which means I'm Chile Dominican Rican. But I always say I'm from Queens.
Yo, why is everyone so happy? But when I have no power, I gotta get out of this room. It's fucking one by the hour. Came and go to a closing friend without having someone to shop you. I ain't for Vanessa, don't pretend that it's not your friend. We all know that he loves you.
Wow, now that you mention that sexual tension is easy to see.
Yo, this is bogus. Haven't you noticed you get out of coffee for free?
Everyone get around, sit down, listen, I got it, and I'll let it walk. It was all come down somewhere in the range of 96,000. The best young close shut, take back everybody else on the block. Look, like a bottle, pick it up, you got the line where the dog just won the lotto. But when I got you $1, put me in the flag to be up the bottle. Oh my God!
Hasta la bandera dominicana. Hasta la bandera dominicana. Hasta la bandera dominicana. Hasta la bandera cubana. Arriba esta bandera, espera donde quiera. Juro de mi tierra, que juro de mi tierra. Esta bonita bandera, que mi alma muera. Cuando yo mi tierra, de mi tierra.
toast for so long and then never turn the lights back on. And y'all keep dancing and singing and celebrating, and it's getting late in this place to disagrade. Alright, we're powerless, light the candle. There's nothing going on here that we can handle.
You don't understand. I'm not trying to be funny.
We're gonna give a third of the money to you, sonny.
What?
Yeah.
For real?
Yes. Maybe you're right, sonny. Call in the corners. Maybe we're powerless. A corner full of foreigners. Maybe this thing will change you forever. Maybe tonight is our last night together. However, how do you wanna face it? Do you wanna waste it when the end is so good you can taste it? That's the vibe to head it. I'm a fly. Just glad that I got in my hand. Can we raise our voice tonight? Can we make a little noise tonight? In fact, can we sing so loud? Promise they can hear us across the street from each stop. Okay, Rico, Santa Rico, wherever we go, that's the people, wherever we go. That's one last night in the hood again. She was found and pronounced at the scene. She was already lying in bed. The paramedics said that her heart gave out. I mean, that's basically what they said. They said the combination of the stress and the heat. Why she never took her medicine, I'll never understand. I like to think she went out in peace, with pieces of breadcrumbs in her hand. A part of Dahlia had simple pleasures. She sang the praises of things we ignore. Glass gold bottles, breadcrumbs, a sky full of stars. She cherished this thing. She said, Alabanza, Alabanza means to raise this thing to God's face and to sing. I clearly praised this. She was here. The path was clear. She was just here.
Alabanza, alabanza, doña Claudia, Señor, alabanza, alabanza, alabanza.
New York Lotto, 1978.
She thought it was bad luck to go through.
My Abuela's Front Door by Usnavi de la Vega. 3rd grade.
I believe. Man, I get a check minus on that thing.
Nice handwriting. My Abuela's front door is busted up. It is falling off the...
I believe that would be Pinches, spelled with a J.
The doorbell don't work. Because so many people comes over, the doorknob be falling out. The Poet Laureate of 183rd Street.
You know, how much is the tuition?
She asked me about it last night.
Abuela would want you to have some.
I have my parents. I can't take her money. But my dad would appreciate it if you could spare some of these photos.
There's a bunch inside.
In this album, there's a picture of the ladies at Daniela's. You can tell it's from the 80s by the volume of their hair. There you are, you're just a baby, 87 Halloween. If it happened on this block, Abuela was there. Every afternoon I came, she'd make sure I did my homework. She could barely write her name, but even so, she would stare at the paper and tell me, "Bueno, that's for you. Why don't you tell me everything you know?" In this album, there's a picture of Abuela in Havana. She's holding a rag doll and smiling black and white. I wonder what she's thinking. Does she know that she'll be leaving for the city on a cold, dark night? And on the day they ran, did she dream of endless summer? Did her mother have a plan? Or did they just go? Did someone sit her down and say, "Claudia, get ready to leave behind everything you know"? Everything I know. What do I know?
I'll go find this.
In this folder, there's a picture from my high school graduation with the program in condition and a star beside my name. Here's a picture of my parents as I left for California. She saved everything we gave her, every little scrap of paper, and our lives are in these boxes while the woman who held us is gone. But we go on, we grow. So hold tight, Abuela, if you're out there, I'll make you proud.
The day I bought the business, that man took every dollar I had.
Mr. O'Hanrahan, when half this block was Irish.
That picture's an antique.
Dad, I just have to say this first. Benny's a good person. I hope you can trust me on this. Mom, I've been thinking a lot about what you said, what Dad did. If the two of you have never quit, there's no way I'm going to. I want to go back to Stanford and finish what I started.
Tommy,
Yes?
I'm asking for your permission on this.
So then ask.
Senora Rosario, are you ready to start a business?
I would never be ready. But I know that it is the right time.
All right then, it's settled. I'll be a mechanic if that's what it takes.
How can I pay you back?
When I was 9 years old, I took pieces of wood and built a box. I went to the kitchen and grabbed an old rag and a can. I ran down to the plaza in Arecibo and shined shoes for a nickel. At the end of the day, I had 35 cents. Now, did I spend it on candy? Did I buy toys?
You got shoe polish.
I always had a mind for investment. Nina Rosario, Bachelor of Arts. When that day comes, we'll call it even.
I love you, Dad.
Still no power. Tell me something I don't know. Think of all the boxes. Tell me something I don't know.
I'm seeing double. You say that every time you wear those tight pants. I got a little something something. Vanessa's new address. A little birdie told me you needed a credit reference. I'll go sign on the apartment, but you have to invite me for a housewarming cocktail. Where'd you get this one? Usnavi swore me to secrecy. Carla, what's my rule? She'll do anything for you, but she won't support your mother's dysfunction. I know the rule, I just didn't think you meant the first part of it. You care about me. Oh yeah, I'm just signing the paper. You're still paying the rent. I'm touched. Thank you. Feels good, doesn't it? What? Spreading Jesus' love. I never should have gotten you that Miracle a Day calendar. This is it. Make your farewell speech. It's like a band-aid. You rip it off quick, you don't even notice.
It's harder than the islands are today. And Mr. Softy's truck has broken down. And here comes all his customers my way. I told you I'd run this town. Piragua, Piragua. 125 Piragua, Piragua, Piragua. 225 Piragua. Rock a bike, hike up the front, ride a little ride, ride a little ride. Black cars are nice, black cars are nice, ride a little ride. Keep breaking mine. Piragua.
Don't act like you can hear me.
State your purpose.
Here's some of. Hey, hold up. Here's some of that lunch money. Go buy a couple of pepperoni slices.
So it all comes down to this? My service package?
Money and liberty. What you always wanted. I'm freeing you. You're free.
You think Bert will ever abandon Ernie? You think the Night Rider will be anything without Kid? He'd be taking a bus.
Papa, you watch way too much TV. Can we talk about this tomorrow?
Bye. See you. This is an end of an era.
You know he's got a point.
How's it going?
So I got you a present. I went downtown to get it. Doing anything tonight.
Clean
Done for the day.
No way.
'Cause we got a day.
Okay.
Before you board that plane, I owe you a bottle of cold champagne.
No.
Yeah, cold champagne.
Sauce on slices and everything. You went and got this.
Pop the champagne.
I know you had coffee cups or plastic cups, but these dirty plastic cups.
Tonight, we're drinking straight from the bottle. Oh, Snappy,
Yeah.
and you told me what to do differently. And honestly, the sweetest thing anyone ever did for me. So, what can I say or do to possibly repay you for your kindness?
How do you get this whole stuff off?
Oh, Snappy,
Yeah.
before we move in town, before the corner changes and the signs are taken down, let's walk around the neighborhood and say our goodbye. Oh, Snappy, are you alright?
I'm fine, I'm trying over this champagne. This is twisted thing is broken, but I'm gonna over this darn champagne.
Let me see it.
No, I got
Yo,
it.
oh, Snappy, drop the champagne,
I made for you all the trouble to get it a little bubbly.
and it's gonna be okay.
I'm sorry, it's been a long day.
You ought to stay.
What?
You can use that money and fix this place.
Ha ha, you're funny.
And it's not like somebody's got role models.
Role
Step up to the
models.
plate.
Girl, what are you
I'm
talking
just
about?
saying, I think your vacation can wait.
Vacation, Vanessa, you need me too.
I'm going down to West Forestry. You can take the
What are you
A.
trying to say?
You're leaving the country, and we're never gonna see you
What are
again.
you trying to
You get
say?
everyone to take it to your coffee, and I'll be gone.
Vanessa, I don't know why you're mad at me.
I wish I was mad. Just too late.
Thanks for coming, boss.
You can call me Ted. Look, this is about Nina.
This is about you and me.
She's going back in the fall.
Tomorrow I'm gonna start planning my own business. And I can't do that until I finish this. My uniform's on the counter. Here are your keys. Now we're all squared away. I had your back, Kevin. Now we got my own. When the sun goes down You're gonna need a flashlight. You're gonna need a candle.
I think I can manage that.
When you leave town, I'm gonna buy you a calling card. Yes, I am falling hard for you.
I go back on Labor Day.
I would try to make my way
Out
west
to California.
So we got the summer.
And we've got each other, perhaps even longer.
When you're on your own, and suddenly without me, when you forget about me,
I couldn't even if I
when
tried.
I'm all alone, and I close my eyes,
That's when I'll see your face again.
and when you're gone, you know that I'll be waiting when you're gone.
But you're here with me,
We'll be working hard, but we should drift apart. We take this moment just to say
No,
we're
no.
gonna change the world someday.
Thinking of home, and I'll think of you every day. We're at the same time.
When the sun goes down,
When the sun goes down,
sun goes down.
Yo, hey, shh, step into my office. I just came into a little money, and I got a business proposition to throw your way.
Who is that?
Is this enough for you to get a job done?
Man, this much cash? I can hook it up. But it'll take me all night.
No one knows about this but you and me. You got that?
Lights out on Washington Heights, another crack of dawn. The black dot goes on and on and on. Sun is out back, swung in the trash. As I think about the past with a sack full of cash. Of what I really wanted me, up on it, wishing my career is in our reach. And soon that's how it's gonna be. Imagine me living today on a 747 morning JFK.
The hydrants are open, cool breezes blow. The hydrants are open, cool breezes blow.
floods in the morning lights of the fire escapes, the night event and bar plastic big phone tapes. I'ma miss this place to tell you the truth. Cannon dispatching wisdom from his dispatch booth, and at dawn under the atlas of wrong. We gotta move on, but who's gonna know what's going on? When I die, as the evening wander to a cross, can I even mind when we're all done? When we resign in the long run, what do we leave behind? Most of all our list of Wallace whispers, doing the lot of big six every Christmas. In 5 years when this whole city's rich folks and hipsters, who's gonna miss this raggedy little business?
What to do? Aha, great sunlight this morning.
Yo, cuz, we fixed the grapes.
Did I tell you about this pump?
You need to commission an artist, but his rate is still good.
First work, my sincere. He hates it.
Shh. He's forming an artistic opinion.
You did this last night?
Yeah.
There goes my flight.
What?
Graffiti beach, you're gonna need some new cans. Here's some money, finish up, it's been a slack to two plants. Listen up guys, you gotta drop on our planes. You gotta go now till the whole block comes